Today's subject is English of Standard First, and name of the song is An Action Song. Students, today we are going to sing a song on actions. You know that in our day-to-day life we follow so many actions. We sit, we stand, we turn around, we jump, etc. Right? So, here is an action song. We will go through each actions and we will try to understand the name of the action. Okay? An action song. First one is touch your head. See the action. You have to touch your head. Yes, please stand up. Okay, and please do these actions. See on the screen, the boy is touching his head, isn't it? So, you too touch your head. Correct? You have to touch your head. See, this is head, isn't it? You have to touch your head with your hands. Okay? Next is touch your toes. See this action. This boy is touching his toes. Toes means fingers of our foot. Okay, these are toes. He is touching his toes with his hands. For this, next, and pull your nose. See, this boy is pulling his nose. Kheenchna. Pull means kheenchna. Right? You have to pull your nose. Are you pulling your nose? Okay. Now this is the third action. Pull your nose. Nose means naak. You know that, right? Next. Shut your eyes. In the picture you can see open and shut. See this? Opening and shutting its eyes. Okay? Shut means close. Close your eyes. Okay? Next action is clap your hands. This is your favorite action, isn't it? Clap your hands. Are you clapping your hands? Very good. Next, and turn around. See, this boy is turning around. Yes, you too turn around on that place only. घूमना है. Turn around. Got this? Okay, next, jump up high. You have to jump up high. See these two children, they are jumping up high. Are you jumping? Are you following these actions? Very good. Now the next is and sit on the ground. Now our actions are finished. Now you can sit on the ground. Like this boy, how he is sitting on the ground. Like that, you have to sit on the ground. Yes, dear children, I hope you understood all these actions. Touch your head. Right? Jump up high, close your eyes, pull your nose, turn around, right? Sit on the ground, correct? Okay, very good. Now we will try to sing this song. Children, now we will sing this song, an action song. Okay, let's start. Touch your head and touch your toes. Shut your eyes and pull your nose. Clap your hands and turn around. Jump up high and sit on the ground. Now this is read aloud. Okay, now here we will read the words. See, these are the words. First one, turn, burn. T-U-R-N, turn, burn. Okay, B-U-R-N is burn. Listen to the sound of the words. They are similar. Turn, burn. Second is sit. S-I-T, sit. K-I-T, kit. Sit, kit. Okay. Next is jump, pump. J-U-M-P, jump. P-U-M-P, pump. Got this? Jump, pump. Next, nose, N-O-S-E, nose, toes, T-O-E-S. Spellings are different but the sound is similar. Nose, toes. Hand, band, H-A-N-D, hand, B-A-N-D, band. Got this? Next is pull, P-U-L-L, pull, F-U-L-L, full, pull, full. Okay. Next, S-H-U-T, shut, C-U-T, cut, shut, cut. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, R-O-U-N-D, round, ground, round. Okay. Next one is H-E-A-D, head, T-H-R-E-A-D, thread, head, thread. Okay, we will read all these once again. Turn, burn, sit, kit, jump, pump, nose, toes, hand, band, pull, full, shut, cut, ground, round, head, thread. Got this? Try to learn this. Okay. Next is look and say. See here, face, F-A-C, face, H-E-A-D, head, H-A-I-R, hair, N-O-S-E, nose. These are the parts of our face, isn't it? See this, face. Okay, now see, this is our face, isn't it? This is our head part. First one is face. This full picture is face, our face, isn't it? Now this part is called as head. This hair, where is the hair? See, these are our hairs, correct? Black color. And where is the nose? This is our nose, isn't it? Okay, now we will read all these words and after that we will mark the parts of our body. Okay, the next are chin, C-H-I-N, chin. See, this is called chin. Okay, and then cheeks, C-H-E-E-K-S, cheeks. See, this is cheek, this is also cheek. So two are there, so we say cheeks. And you know this is M-O-U-T-H, mouth. See, this is her mouth. And you can see here teeth, isn't it? This is T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Daat, right? Teeth. Next, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Tongue is inside our mouth, right? Tongue. Please learn the spelling properly. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Next, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. See, these are ears. Next, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. See, these pink color lips, right? And last, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. See, big cute eyes, isn't it? Yes, we know the different parts of our face, isn't it? Once again we will read: face, head, hair, nose, chin, cheeks, mouth, teeth, tongue, ears, lips, eyes. Okay? Read the word and show the proper body part. Students, see this picture. Here we can see so many words. Means here these are called body parts. You can see here also and on the other side also. Okay, this is a boy, right? We will name the body parts. Okay, here see head, nose, stomach, chest, fingers, leg, right? And here mouth, hand, arm, neck, toes, foot. Yes, now we will show these. Now see, this is head, isn't it? This is our head. Second one is nose, right? Next is stomach. See, this is our stomach, correct? Next, chest. See, this is our chest, isn't it? Now, next, fingers. See, these are our fingers, right? Next, leg, correct? This is our leg. We have two legs, isn't it? Next, mouth. See, this is our mouth. This is our hand, isn't it? You know all these parts. Arm. See, this is our arm. Next, neck. See, this is our neck, right? Toes. Show me your toes. Yes, these are our toes. We have 10 toes. And this is called foot, right? Yes, you have to learn all these words which show our different body parts of our body, right? For these students, now we will move to next lesson, that is Sunny and Minnie. Okay, now here a boy is there. His name is Sunny and he has a pet cat and her name is Minnie. Got that? Now this is a story of Sunny and Minnie. Okay, we will go through. You have to listen carefully. Okay, we'll start. It was Sunday morning. Sunny was in his bed. That was Sunday. Sunday is a holiday, isn't it? No school. So he was sleeping in his bed. At that time, Mom said, "Get up, Sunny. Brush your teeth," said his mother. Sunny's mother asked Sunny to get up and she said, brush your teeth. Okay, we will read once again. It was Sunday morning. Sunny was in his bed. Get up, Sunny. Brush your teeth, said his mother. Okay, then what happened? Here see Minnie. Hi, Sunny. You are still lying in bed? Get up, said Minnie. She is a pet, you know that. Pet cat, she said. Hi, Sunny. You are still lying in bed? Now also you are sleeping? Get up fast, said Minnie. Then Sunny said, Hi, Minnie, let's play. From the bed only he said, Yes, hi, Minnie. Yes, come on, we will play. Then Minnie said, But you look so dirty. I am clean. So what? Let's play, Minnie said. But you look so dirty. Yes, he was sleeping. He was looking dirty, isn't it? He not brushed his teeth. So she said, You are looking so dirty. And see, I am clean. Then he said, So what happens? Let's play, Minnie, Sunny said. Then Minnie said, Come on, Sunny, look yourself in the mirror. She said, Go and stand in front of the mirror. You look yourself in the mirror. Mirror means aina. Minnie said, Look inside, look yourself in the mirror. He said, Okay, I will. So he went near the mirror and he saw his own image in the mirror. अपने आप को उसने मिरर में देखा. Minnie said, Your teeth are yellow. Your mouth is sticky. Your hair are messy. Yuck, she said. Your teeth are yellow means what happened? They became dirty. Your mouth is sticky. Your mouth is, smell is coming out from your mouth. And your hair are messy. See his hair. How messy they are. Like this, Minnie said. Then he saw his image and said, Yes, I am looking very ugly. मैं बहुत गंदा दिख रहा हूँ. He said to himself. And I like clean friends. What Minnie said? I like clean friends. Clean yourself and let's go to play. What she said? First, go inside and clean yourself. Then come to play. Then let's play, she said. Then Sunny said, Yes, I will be right back. What Sunny said? Yes, you are right. I will go inside, I will fresh, I will clean myself and I will come back to play. So he went inside. First he brushed his teeth. Then he took bath. Okay. Then he wore new shirt and pant. New means clean shirt and pant. Then he combed his hair. Okay. 4 actions he did. First one, he brushed his teeth. Then he took bath with the help of the soap and water, right? And then he wore clean clothes. Then he combed his hair. Now what Minnie said, we'll see. Now Minnie is very happy to see Sunny. She said, Wow, Sunny, you are looking neat and tidy. Let's play. She's very happy to see Sunny. And she said, Now let's play because you are looking neat and tidy. Then Sunny said, Thank you, Minnie. Let's play and enjoy Sunday. What Sunny said? Let's play together and enjoy today's day, that is Sunday. Now both started to play and they enjoyed Sunday. See here, Minnie and Sunny are playing with each other. Can you see here? Yes, Minnie asked him to become clean and then come to play, she said. Yes, understood about the story? Yes, cleanliness is must. You must be clean. Okay? These are good habits like brushing teeth, taking bath, combing the hairs, wearing clean clothes. These are good habits. These habits you have to follow. Okay? They keep you healthy and fit. Got this, students? And all will like you. If you are neat and clean, all children, your teacher, your parents, your neighbors, all will become happy and they will make friendship with you. Got this, students? Okay. Now we will move. See this. Complete the following sentence. Here we can see the action and sentence. See the action. What this Sunny is doing now? Yes, you know that Sunny is brushing his teeth, isn't it? Next picture shows that Sunny is, yes, correct, taking bath. Very good. Next is Sunny is, very good, combing his hair. Right, with the help of the comb. Next one, Sunny is wearing his shirt, isn't it? Next, Sunny is ready to go to school. Right? Sunny is going to school. Now, you can see here Minnie. She is telling bye-bye. Let's meet in the next topic. Okay, bye.